Most people think that if you don't fit the traditional loan requirements, your dream of owning a home is over. But what if there's a way for you to turn your dream into a reality? You see, it's all about finding the right solution. And in this video, you will learn how many people like yourself have used this program to realize their dream of owning a home. The solution they use to make this happen is, my name is Robert, and we simplify the home loan process. The solution they used is manual underwriting, and it's been used by those that don't fit the traditional loan requirements. But remember, it was created for people just like you, people who don't check every box, but have the ability to pay and the determination to prove it. Manual underwriting doesn't rely on a computer to decide your fate. Instead, it looks at the full picture, your income, your payment history, and even savings. But remember, it's not automatic. A computer doesn't control your fate. Now, you'll need to document and meet certain guidelines like your debt to income ratio. And sometimes you might have to prove your financial stability with a little extra documentation. So yes, it's more detailed, and sometimes it could take a little longer, but there's a reason that it exists. It's a lifeline for people like you, independent contractors, self-employed workers, or families who have faced unique challenges in the past. Now, manual underwriting works because it allows for compensating factors. Things that make you look good, like extra savings, a consistent documented rental history. Again, you don't have to fit a computer model's formula, but you do need to show you're ready to take the next step. And the good news is manual underwriting doesn't take any longer than a traditional loan when done correctly. So working with the right lending partner is key. So if you've been told no before, it might be time for a different approach. Comment manual below and take the first step towards your new home. Now, if home ownership is your goal, watch this video and learn how to improve your credit scores for free. Talk to you soon.